This is going to be our Mario Sidewalk game. This is some pictures of what I drew on the sidewalk. Yours don't have to be as extensive as these, but I wanted to draw these to have fun and maybe inspire you guys, and also just enjoy it. So we have a lot of question marks. I have at least 3 total. Here's some coins. Let's get 50 coins. There's another question mark. Oh, better watch out on this one. This one's going to be... Ooh, bad guy there. Get a free life. And then here is a special card that... Alright, this is going to be our Mario. You're going to go across the balance beam. Ready? Go. And we got some scrap paper. You're going to draw from one of these. Got to draw from one. You're going to draw the top one. What'd you get? Oh, you got star power. You're going to move forward 2 spaces. Ready? Go. Boom, boom. You on the turtle shell? So you're still good? Alright.
I killed turtle shell.
Okay, so you're still alive. Good job. Alright. You get to move one. Oh, where's our dice? We need to throw our dice, don't we? Okay, you ready? Roll your dice.
4.
4. Boom. 2, 3. Uh-oh. You got eaten by the flower. Alright, here we go. Mario and Princess Peach. Gonna go across the balance beam. On the question mark. Alright, you're gonna draw from one of my scrap pieces of paper here. And we've got something on the back side. What is it? It is.
Back one space.
Go back one space so you get to start over. Ha! Alright, Princess Peach, you ready? Alright, go. Don't fall off. Ah, start over. Come on. Alright, Princess Peach, you're gonna draw from one of the cards.
Okay.
Draw from one of my papers.
Power!
What do you got? Star power? Woo! Do.
Gracie, go.
All right, go.
Boom.
1, 2. You're on the turtle shell. No, you're on the turtle shell. Go back.